Hello, this is Chet Porter with MarineMax in Savannah. We just received this 2025 320 Sea Ray Sundancer. This is the outboard powered version of this boat, which is the most popular in our area. So up front you have this nice seating area for three with armrest, which is nice. You also have fusion stereo, remote control up here. There's a separate bow cover for this entire area. Nice stainless steel cup holders. Up in the bow you also have windlass controls and all up here, and then access to your road and all over here. Place that you can hold on, nice handrails all the way around. So moving back into the cockpit, you have a full glass door that slides over. It's really nice on a cold day. And then you have this bow block off door and really keep the cold air out of there on a cold windy day. So this boat is yacht certified. There's tons of storage all throughout the seats here. Nice handrails all the way around. This boat does have above our heads the sunroof that opens up. Gives you nice daylight throughout. And then also we have the sure shade. This goes all the way back over the aft seat and really nice when it's hot down here in the Savannah area. This boat is equipped with the grill, electric grill. There's a sink over here, freshwater sink, refrigerator with a freezer portion, and then also a trash receptacle here. So moving back to the stern, powered by twin 350 Mercury WHT engines, and you have tons of storage back here in the back, and then your battery on-off switches are back here, so there's no need to go into the boat to turn on your battery switches. It really makes it easy to control the boat before you really get on it. Here in the walkthrough we have another remote control for the stereo. This boat does have air conditioning in the cockpit area, and then your controls for the hatch and the shade are right here. This boat does have the joystick piloting, air conditioned vent here, active trim, Mercury active trim for the engines, twin screens, fusion stereo, nice glass windshield, so you really have great visibility from the helm, and then access that you can undo these U-shaped pieces here and get access to the dock lines or either call somebody on the dock for help. So let's go into the cabin. Okay, we're down in the cabin. This is the forward berth. There's storage throughout on all the sides. Nice finished fiberglass storage underneath with rope lighting. In this table makes a nice dinette. There's a TV up here, and then there's port lights all the way around. Then your main distribution channel is here. All your controls for shore power. Also the air conditioner remote control is here, and then a mounted VHF for the interior. So you have nice wood steps going back to the aft cabin. Then as you can see in there, you have two berths, and those can slide together to become one, which is a nice feature. And then in the head, have a full vacuum flush head, nice vessel sink with stainless steel appliances. And then this to the left of the sink is a wand that pulls out for the shower that mounts here on the wall. So nice shower setup, really good interior room, two berths, and a really nice setup for a 32-foot boat. All right, down in the cabin on the port side, we have a refrigerator and then a microwave. There's also some good storage underneath here, all the way back underneath the steps. And that concludes our walkthrough of the 320 Sea Ray Sundancer. So if you have any questions, give us a call. This is Chet Porter with MarineMax in Savannah, 912-525-0961. Thank you.